So I've been flying my Reptile Cloud with a GoPro Hero 8 using the Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization settings. Now there's 3 settings that you can use, either on, high, or boost in that Hyper Smooth 2.0 on the camera itself. And then what that'll do is stabilize the video before you download it to use in your video processing software. The other option is you record in the base mode with Hypersmooth 2.0 turned off. Then you can use that file into a program called ReelSteady GO, and in that software on your computer you can have some control over how the stabilization happens. So what I wanted to do as the first test is fly a flight with the stabilization off, and then go into ReelSteady GO, create a file which uses their normal smoothness and cropping settings, which are sliders on the screen here, and then do the same thing this time with the lock horizon setting enabled. And what this is doing is giving you a much smoother view if you're trying to do cinematic. While you're trying to fly nice and level, this is actually a way it kind of makes you look like you're really smooth. And that's what that lock horizon is, what the Insta360 Go does on that camera, but that's only an HD camera, 1080p. With the Hero 8 you can go 2.7 or 4K. So by having the ReelSteady Go option using the Hero 8, it gives you some more ways of stabilizing your video. So I did a flight, and I just wanted to show you how each of those compare. What I recommend you do is watch the video with just looking at the raw feed on that top frame, and then replay again, this time your eyes focused on the normal stability, and then one more time looking at the lock horizon video. And you can see in this one frame here of what the effect of the locked horizon will be anytime you kind of get things a little bit too much out of horizontal. So anyway, I wanted to share that. So at this point, I think it's going to be a good tool to have, and a lot of my videos coming up will probably take advantage of this. Alright, thanks for watching.